Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we're going to do a Monday mini. It's just a super quick little video. We're going to make this Life is a Garden of Possibilities card. We're using one of the hand-penned Memories and More card fronts. And we are using a piece of Whisper White in the middle with the stamp set from Color and Contour. The Color and Contour and the hand pen set go really nicely together. So let's get started really quickly. What I did is I wanted this to be a landscape card, but because the card front is quite heavy, I wanted to make it a side opening card so that it doesn't just droop down like that. So I have taken a piece of Highland Heather. I cut it down the middle long ways at 4 1/4 and then scored it at 5 1/2 so that I can fold it in half like that. And then I'm just smoothing out the rough edges from the blade. So we'll put that off to the side. I need to trim up the card front because it is wider than I need it to be. So I need it to be 5 1/4 to go on the card front. So I am just going to trim off one end here, just so that I've got the edge of this piece, and then I'm going to line it up at 5 1/4 and I'm going to trim off the other end. So I've actually trimmed off a little bit of the leaf, but that's okay. I'm just going to put this out of the way. And again, I've got some little rough edges, so I'm just going to smooth them out with my bone folder. And I can attach this to the front of the card, which I will do. And then we can do the inside of the card. So this is a 5 1/4 by 4 now. So I'm just going to line it up and drop it down. So there we go. It's a little bit higher than I'd like it to be, but that's okay. So I'm going to do the inside of the card now. I took Memento ink and the stamp from the Color and Contour. I'm just going to ink that up, make sure I've got good coverage, and just pressed it along the side of the card liner. And then I took my Highland Heather and inked it up and then just placed it down. Now you can line it up as best you can and just press it down. It's meant to be a little bit abstract, so it's not going to fit exactly. It's meant to be kind of a bit of background. So that's that done. So that's what it looks like. And then I took the scalloped contour die from the Color and Contour bundle, and I just ran it through just at the edge. And you can line this up, just making sure that you've kind of got it even at each end, and that you've got an even amount of paper showing underneath the die. And I am just going to put a Post-it on that so it stays where I need it to be. And I'm going to sandwich that up and run it through the machine. So I appreciate you watching the videos, and I appreciate the comments that I get and the likes. Liking videos helps the YouTube algorithms find more videos of similar content. So if you like the video, YouTube will show you more videos like that. And my own personal request is, if you don't like the video and you choose to give it that thumbs down instead of a thumbs up, please leave me a comment telling me why. If there's something you don't like about the video, help me make the videos better and more to your liking. So just shoot me a quick comment to say why you didn't like it, and I'll see what I can do to fix that. So we're just going to put this in. We're going to line this up and drop it down. So there you have a quick card with the hand-penned Memories and More card pack, and then using the Color and Contour bundle inside. So thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please click that like button. If you're clicking the dislike button, let me know why. Thanks so much, and we will see you next time.